Hello everyone, this is Joe Picks. I'm Joe, and I haven't made a video in a while. I have received a couple of packages lately, and I thought I would show some of the stuff that I got. So the other day, I received a package from Chris Capune, and Chris was kind enough to send me this fantastic 3D printer enamel pin and this absolutely beautiful brass lockwood cylinder. I'm passing along a lock for him to Australia, so he was kind enough to send me these. Also today I received in the mail some stickers from Picksmith. Check these out. Such a fantastic design, and this cracks me up. Haribo beat me like a rug. For those of you who are unfamiliar, Haribo makes some very, very difficult challenge locks. He's located in the UK. I've picked one on my channel, and definitely no pushover. So set these off to the side. Now the main business today is, and some of you may recognize the black duct tape, and that is because this is from Peter Lewis, Irish Lockpicker. So Peter has sent me some very, very cool Iron Maiden postcards. So he and his brother collect them, and he had some extras, and I've been listening to Iron Maiden since I was barely a teenager, so definitely very cool to have those. And then there's a huge assortment of locks in here. I'm just going to get started in this corner. So these are all the Brazilian papais. I don't know how to say that right, but I have another one also from Peter Lewis, a 30, which can now sit in this fantastic collection. So we have the 25, 30, 40, 60, and 70. This is an absolute beast. Nice clunky snap to that. And then this one here, little guy, very, very awesome. Set this off to the side. Got this very lovely Squire. I don't have many Squires in my collection, so Peter was kind enough to help me out there. I have one of these, but my little boy really, really wanted it, so I made him a deal, and I said, hey, if I can get another one, you can have it. So I do have another one, and he is very excited. It's beautiful. This Chubb London. This has the fish on it. So that is my second Chubb lever lock. Move these off camera here. Now I have two more Squires. One being the LN5, 50 mil, and the LN60, 60 mil. Very nice. Got this crazy looking matlock with a nice snap to that. Very smooth feeling action on that. Really cool keyway. Very, very paracentric keyway there. This very nice Chubb cylinder. Looks like a removable kick, perhaps. I'll have to take a look at that closer later. This interesting looking guy is just like a chain lock you would put on the inside of your door, and it has a wafer cylinder in it. This is a Berg Vector. I thought that was really cool. Now the rest of these
are my locks?
That's right. I got my little one, Little Picks, and he is here because Peter was such a legend and gave my boy some locks for his collection. And I think the pride of which is this very nice union with a full hidden shackle, and the key can be turned either way, which I have another union, a bigger one that has a brass shackle with a very, very strong spring, and it's the same way. You can open it by turning the key either direction. We have this, what have we got? 50 millimeter padlock. We have a little diary lock, a master lock. What is this, a 30 millimeter? A nice little brass warded lock. And this has ladybugs on it. And so, there we go.
Aren't ladybugs considered lady beetles?
They are lady beetles. Excuse me. But anyway, in addition to that, there were 4 locks that are heading over to Steve Holder. So Steve, if you're watching this, I do have your stuff, and I will be getting in touch with you very soon. Peter Lewis, thank you so much. Chris Capune, thank you. Picksmith, thank you for the stickers. Everyone else, thank you for watching, and enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you, Peter Lewis.
Yeah.
For giving me locks.
Yeah, that was very, very nice of you.